Hi, this is Shivkumar from CC Department of Ravini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we can see the topic embedded systems. Embedded system is nothing but an integrated system that is formed as a combination of computer hardware and software for a specific function. So it can be said as dedicated computer system has been developed for some particular reasons. These embedded systems can work without human interventions or with little human interventions. There are various components in embedded system. Let's see one by one. First one is a power supply. The main thing for any system, we are in need of a power supply. And next one is a processor. As we said, it is a combination of hardware and software. The hardware thing, that is a processor, is very much important here, and there are three types of processor, namely 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit processors. The next one is a time counter or timer. That is a mechanism or often referred to embedded system to count the occurrence of things or carry out the actions at regular interval. And the next hardware component is the memory. So to store the things, we are in need of memory, so we are using RAM or ROM. ROM is a code memory, or whereas RAM is a volatile memory. And next one is a communication port. This is the thing which is used to communicate the information or data from one hardware to another or something more or less. Next one is the output and input. And the above are the hardware components of the embedded systems. Now let us see the software components of embedded system. First one is editor, where we are going to write a program for the particular hardware. Next one is an emulator. An emulator is a piece of software that enables you to use the features of the host system, that is all part of controllable through the emulator tool. The emulator is also used to debug applications and find the bugs. And next one is assembler. A machine language is created from written code by the assembler tool, and this assembler transforms source code first into an object code and then into the language that the machines understand, whereas the compiler transforms written code into a machine language. The next one we need is a compiler. As said earlier, the written code is converted into machine language by the compiler so that the machine can understand it. The creation of an executable application is a major goal of this tool, and less known as a linker. The software is written in discrete module and component called a linker. A linker, often known as a link editor, is a program that merges one or more object files into a single executable code. And next, debugger. Debugger is nothing but if there is an error, we have to debug it. That is, we have to make it as an error free. The important characteristics of an embedded system is: first one is a performance specific task, next to the low cost, third is a time specific, then the low power, high efficiency, minimal user interface and less human intervention, and last one is highly stable. This is a block structure diagram of an embedded systems. As said, embedded system is nothing but the combination of hardware as well as the software. Okay, so here the microcontroller, bus, etc. is said to be in hardware, and the software is nothing but the code what we write for the particular hardware, and these are the things totally called as an embedded system. And the advantage is it is very small in size, it enhances real-time performance and easy customizable for the specific application. The disadvantage is highly development cost and time consuming, and the application specific in less market available. Thank you.